Hey, welcome back. After visiting the Aktau mountains, we moved to the Katutau mountains, which are located in the Altinamal National Park. We have to come back like 10 kilometers and take right turn. The volcanic mountains of Katutau, or frozen or severe mountains in Kazakh language, are one of the attractions of the Altinamal National Park. Katutau are the largest and highest desert mountains in Altinamal. The upper limit reaches around 1630 meters. The Katutau lava mountains are the result of intense volcanic activity in the region. The frozen lava of the volcano has acquired bizarre forms here, becoming a unique natural monument that is very good for the geologists. The Katutau mountains are located in the eastern part of the Altinamal National Park, south of the Zonagrin Alatau Ridge, 47 km from the village of Bashi, 25 km from the Aktau mountains. The length of Katutau mountains from east to west is 40 km, from north to south is 25 to 30 km. The Katutau mountains stretch from southwest to northeast in the form of a narrow, hilly ridge with plateau-like peaks. This is a mid-mountainous type of relief, which is characterized by smoother forms, waterless gorges, dry gentle ravines and valleys. Areas without vegetation are being destructed intensively. In the middle part of the Katutau ridge, there is a large extinct volcano. The products of its powerful eruptions occupied a large area and subsequently eroded, taking bizarre shapes. Katutau in translation from the Kazakh language means harsh mountains, which is quite justified taking into account the harsh continental climate of these places and the severe looks of the landscape. There is another translation of the word Katu, freeze, which can also be applied to these mountains with numerous remains of frozen volcanic lava. The Katutau Mountains are a popular tourist attraction at the Altinamal National Park. Tourists usually visit Katutau on their way to the Aktau Cretaceous Mountains or on the way back. Photographers are attracted by islands of solidified lava. Depending on the lighting, they can now look like fantastic figures, silhouettes of animals. We recommend that you travel in this area for at least 2 to 3 days, since one day must be laid off on the way back and forth, plus one day in the reserve itself. We can settle down in guest houses in the reserve itself or set up our own base portal camp with all the necessary equipments, including a dry closet and shower. Like in my previous video, I have shown you where you can set up the portable camps, and you can stay overnight at Bashi village guest houses as well and enjoy the traditional Kazakh food. From here we'll be going to a 700 old willow tree. It's like kind of a oasis in the desert, which is very small and has a small pond as well with a 700-year-old willow tree. So aktau, Katutau and willow tree can be done in the one day, and next day you can plan for sand dunes, which I will be uploading in the upcoming videos. So please like this video, subscribe to my channel and enjoy the video. Thanks for watching.